Hello, everyone, and welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. Today we are going to multiply polynomials. So here I have a binomial multiplying by a trinomial. What does the problem ask to do? It says expand the expression to a polynomial in standard form. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, right? So let's get started. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. I'm going to write my trinomial first, which is x squared minus 3x minus 8. Then I'm going to multiply that by my binomial, which is 3x minus 1. I actually like doing it this way because it's more organized and it's simpler when you're trying to combine like terms because the terms are aligned. Let's do it. So first I'm going to start multiplying and measure 3x. My 3x must be multiplied with everything or every term on the top. So I'm going to multiply my 3x with my x squared. So my 3x times x squared will give me 3x to the third power. Why to the third power? Because if you remember when you're multiplying with exponents, you add the exponents. When you multiply, you add the exponents. Right? So it's like you multiply with the same base, you add the exponents. And then I'm going to multiply my 3x with my negative 3x. So 3x multiplied by negative 3x is going to give me negative 9x squared. Then I have my 3x multiplied by my negative 8, which is going to give me negative 24x. So I'm done with this 3x, right? Don't distribute the 3x or multiply. So now I'm at my negative 1. Not only 1, you have to remember you have to use the operation in front of the constant term, right? So I have a negative 1. So negative 1, I'm going to multiply with every term in the top. So negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared, where I'm going to put that under my x squared. So when it's time for me to combine like terms, it's all there. And I have my negative 1 times my negative 3x, which is going to give me positive 3x, because negative times a negative is a positive. Now I have my negative 1 multiplied by my negative 8, which is going to give me a positive 8. So now that I have everything aligned, I could go ahead and I could add, right? It's similar to combining like terms, but no, we're going to add it, right? So I have 3x cubed added to nothing. It's going to give me 3x cubed, or to the third power. I have negative 9x squared plus negative x squared, which is going to give me negative 10x squared. When you're adding two negative, you keep the sign and then you add the digits. That's how I get negative 10x squared. And then when you're adding, you don't forget to keep your variable, right? So now I have negative 24x plus 3x, which is going to give me a negative 21x plus 8. So that is your final answer. Your final answer is 3x squared minus 10x squared. Sorry, 3x to the third power minus 10x squared minus 21x plus 8. And it is in standard form. It is in standard form. You know when it's in standard form because the exponents keep decreasing. Like x to the third, x to the second, x to the first, and then you have your constant, which is the last. Thank you. See you in part 2.